What is going on, guys? We are back again, and today we're going to be fixing the rear hatch. So today, got these from Amazon. These are the rear lift hydraulic shock absorbers or whatnot. So we're going to throw these on. I'll show you how to do it. It should be pretty quick and easy. So hold on. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I got this propped up. I am going to take these bolts out of the first one. I hope that it don't fall. Alright, this is off. Keep these little bolts. Let's see. Let's take this off. Alrighty. So that one is off. For this one, we got new hardware. They should be going down. So we'll probably do, I don't know why they gave me these, but I guess for here, we'll probably just put the same bolts back in. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll put a new bracket. I'll leave it loose, and then take our screwdriver. Alright, that's on there. And we'll go ahead and put the new one in there. Let's see if we can get that to fit. There we go. And then we'll tighten this side up real quick. Alrighty. So one down. Let's do the other one. Alright guys, I finished doing this. Tighten it all down. It all goes into place. And it's being held up, so let's go ahead and just test it out. This is all flush, so that's perfect. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk, and smooth and easy. Awesome. So this was a quick, easy project. This part of the car is done. We got a few more things to finish up, but hopefully we will get it done soon. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like this video, please subscribe, take care, and have a great day.